In this video, I'll show you how to use branches in HubSpot workflows to create conditional paths and automate your processes more efficiently. First, head over to your HubSpot dashboard. Then navigate to Automation, Workflows. Open an existing workflow or create a new one. Once inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon to add a new action. Select the branch option. You'll see different types of branches, including property or action, if-then logic, and random distribution. For this example, let's choose if-then logic. The branch will be added to your workflow. You can rename the branches and define criteria for each path. For example, create one branch called Success with its criteria and another called Failed with its own criteria. Once all branches are configured, review your workflow and turn on the automation. That's it. Your workflow now has conditional branches that automatically guide contacts or tasks based on your defined rules. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot automation tutorials.